Hi everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video of my Hmong dolls. So they are all made out of felt, and I cut out all the little arms and legs, and then I sewed it all together. So these are the ones I have left. All really cute. They are about as long, well, a little bit longer than a piece of paper. So there, you can see that. So they're a little bit longer than a piece of paper. So a piece of paper is about 11 inches. So I'd say they are about 13 to 14 inches long. So they're pretty big, good size. Okay, close up for one. There's the face. I use these buttons. I poke a hole and then I snap them on so they don't come off. They're not sewed on, they're snapped on. And then the arms don't really move. Like, you can move them out a little bit, but they don't really twist. But you can still play with it. And then there's the back. And then the shade. And the dress. It's all hand sewn, the stitches. And the little legs. So then that's how it's attached in the bottom. And then the back, see, that's where I sewed it together. And then the legs, it's all sewn down the middle. And then the little shoes. And the hand. So then there's where I sewed it there. I just turned it back around right there. And then the neck, that's where I sewed the neck together. And then the neck is sewn together. So here it is, the video of my dolls. Thanks for watching. These are all that I have available. I'm selling them for $25 each. Free shipping from Madison, Wisconsin, or you can pick it up too. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching.